Hi, this is Ivona from CNX. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Valence 5 to your IBMI system. I'm going to show you how to get the installation started on Windows. I have already downloaded the installation file from the CNX website. You can see it here on my desktop. My test system is running V7 R1, so I have downloaded the Valence Windows installer specific for that version. On the CNX website, you can find installers that can run from Mac OS X and Windows for various IBMI operating system versions. When downloading the installer from CNX, be careful to choose the correct version. In order to start the installation process on Windows, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Click Extract. You can see the extracted folder pop up here. When the file is done extracting, open the Valence install folder. Then you can launch the valence install.exe file. The first screen describes the steps the installer will perform. First, it will install a library on the system called Valence 5.0. Then it will install an IFS folder called Valence-5.0 and a new Apache server instance named Valence 5.0. After that, it will initialize and start the Valence framework for the first time. Now click Next and read through this important information to make sure you understand how this process will affect any existing Valence installations on your system. In the next panel, accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. On this panel, first enter your system name or IP address. I will use my test system at cnxtest.cnxcorp.com. For the user ID, CNX highly recommends using CUSA because some installed Valence objects require security officer authority to access resources on your system. After entering password, click Sign On, and the installer will validate the entries. My sign-on was successful. Now I'm ready to click the Install button. This area will indicate what is currently happening in the installation process. First, the installer is transferring a save file to the system. Then it will unpack everything and complete the installation steps. The process will take another couple minutes, so I'll fast forward here. The installation process is finishing up right now, executing the final command and attempting to contact the Valence framework. Right now, it is making sure that the installation was normal and that it gets an expected response from the framework. You can now look at the timestamp and see that the installation took about 9 minutes. Here we can see the installation complete screen, which includes the link that you need to follow to access the Valence portal in your browser. Before doing that, I would like to point out that you can log into the portal with the user ID and password of a VV-admin or any valid IBMI user profile. Let's leave this completion window open for now, and we'll come back to it in a minute. Back at the Valence portal, I'll use CUSA to log in. Just to be sure, let's go to the About link and double check if this is the version that I wanted to install. The Valence framework version looks correct. Now let's go back to the installation completion window for a moment. It is important to leave this window open until you make sure you're able to log into the Valence portal. This is in case you need to call CNX for support. Clicking the Show Log button will display the list of everything that occurred during installation. More information about the release can be found by clicking the release notes on the forum link here. In our case, the installation has completed successfully, so I can close the installer and delete the Valence install zip and extracted folder from my PC. They are no longer required.